This is called the minimum on-stick test. It's to see what happens if a pilot lifts the nose up too high, too soon, and scrapes the runway. Will the aircraft still be able to get enough lift on the wings to actually get airborne?
Frankfurt will be delayed due to bad weather conditions here at the airport Salzburg. You will receive further information at 10:45 a.m. If you have any further questions, please contact us, and we apologize for the delay. Whoa.
The new Boeing 747-8 freighter is designed to carry a heavy load, but this test airplane is about to go above and beyond the call of duty. Let's rewind so we can explain. Boeing engineers created the 747-8 freighter so cargo carriers can fly even more freight around the world. By stretching the fuselage of the popular 747, engineers increased the airplane's maximum takeoff weight to 975,000 pounds, or about 442,000 kilograms. But with a new airplane, it's not enough just to build it, you have to prove it.
So we go above the limits that are established for the aircraft from a weight perspective, from a speed perspective, so that we can clearly demonstrate to both customers, regulatory agencies, and passengers that the aircraft's capable of performing at these levels.
So for a recent test flight, the ground operations crew spent hours loading RC-521, the second 747-8 freighter. They began by pumping the airplane with plenty of fuel. Then they brought in dozens of steel plates, each one weighing more than 3,000 pounds. One by one, the crew secured the plates in the lower cargo hold. When it was all said and done, they had gone well past the maximum takeoff weight.
This airplane's going to go out tomorrow morning at 1,005,000 pounds.
1,005,000 is the heaviest a 747 has ever carried. So we'll set the record tomorrow.
Fast forward to the flight line. Captain Paul Stemmer conducts a pre-flight check, fully aware of the weight of the situation.
Yes, there's a lot of mass, it's a lot of energy. I think we have done our homework, and I'm thinking we're ready. Let's go do it.
With the new GEnx 2B engines providing the thrust, time for takeoff. More than 1 million pounds soaring into the California sky. Weeks of planning and preparation paying off with the heaviest takeoff in Boeing's history.
Yeah, that's a big deal for us. It's a testament to the initial design and the fact that, we talk about it being an iconic aircraft and an iconic design, that it has been able to be grown and doing more than it was initially envisioned.
It's incredible to think that the people, men and women from the Boeing company, together with the partners around the world, can build such a magnificent flying machine that is capable of lifting over 1 million pounds into the air.